Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of June. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want additional readings, and the link of that is also given in the description box below. So let's get started, Capricorns. Okay, it's flipped. Okay. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Capricorns. Okay. Guidance from the angels. Okay. Message from the universe. Okay. Capricorns, what I see here is that something is definitely ending and something new is beginning in your life. There is a major change going on in your life. See, what I see here is that perhaps you've been helping someone, trying to balance something, because what I feel here is maybe there has been certain situations there have been in your life which made you realize that when you are in a position to give, you should be giving and sharing. Okay. And that, so I think it's coming off like that, as if you started helping people, or you've started helping people who are below your strata. It's something like that, or your status. And I think that is something which you have learnt a long way or a hard way, that you cannot have it all, you cannot keep it all. If you want something or achieve something, you need to be generous and you need to be helping to other people, you need to help other people. So it is coming off as something, as a lesson which you have learnt. Maybe you are actually helping poor people in some way, shape or form. I think you are in a position of financially helping some people, or whatever it is, you have the resources to help people, and it is coming off as, I have a lot of wealth, what should I do with it, sort of. And this new beginning, there has been certain lessons which you've learned, which have taught you perhaps that it's it's like as if you want to, it's some sort of a karmic thing, it's some sort of a destiny thing which has played up in your life and taught you this lesson, and you have become a lot more generous than before. And it's somewhat like when a person of a very high uh, influential capacity in whatever the resources they have, it can be wealth or whatever, they turn because of some major event in their life. When a person turns their life, it's totally upside, it's not in a bad way, in a good way, that there is some sort of a realization which comes in, which makes you take a major turn in your life as to this wealth is of no use, I should be helping, using it for helping others. It's coming off like that. Okay, so I don't see there is any self interest in that. Okay, you are not doing it because of some reason, you are not doing because of any selfish motive, but there has been a karmic lesson for you in some way, shape or form, which has made you realize sort of worthlessness of that wealth or those resources which you have, and you take a decision of uh, helping others, even maybe financially or whatever way it is, whatever resources you have, and you are trying to balance your karmic scales in some way, shape or form. It's coming off very, very strongly like that, and that is the major change which is happening in your life. It is obviously a major change that you decide to spend your wealth in helping others. So maybe you are helping in some NGO, it can be that you are helping, going in for NGO, maybe you are really donating things to people in these times, perhaps it can be that for some of you, helping the needy, helping the poor, helping those, maybe whatever. I don't want to talk about corona over here, but it can be a help in any way, which it is a realization coming in a major way as to this wealth is of no use, these resources of no use if I can't help others. Okay, so there is a major realization of some way, shape or form, because you have accumulated a lot and not given that much before this time, and now you have decided to do so and you're doing it. Okay, and here with the Queen of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles and the Emperor, I, that's what again I'm getting, that you have those resources and you are contemplating of those resources as to how you can put them to the benefit of others, as to how you, because you know the struggle, you are reminiscing, just realizing, just being thoughtful of the ways, or just thinking of the ways you had accumulated this wealth, but you want to put them to some good use. Okay, whatever these resources are, and people are looking up to you for that, maybe they are even coming you for advice, or you are definitely being looked up to in whatever way. And with the Emperor over here and with the King of Cups, so definitely whosoever this reading resonates with is definitely a person who is in a very, very affluent state and a very, very emotionally controlled state now, at least now. Okay, so this is with the Queen of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the King of Cups. Yeah, this is somebody who is very, very affluent and influential. And here with the under their control, they have all their emotions under their control. They are generous, they are compassionate, this person, and that is why this person is now trying to help others. And with the Page of Pentacles and with the Fool, one more thing which I'm getting is that you have something I think if it's coming in my head, I should definitely speak up. It's something that you are donating or giving up the major affluence of your life and taking with yourself only what you need. And that is the beginning of your new journey. I don't know, here also that word came into my mind, but I didn't speak it. It's sort of a renunciation and keeping with yourself uh, whatever you need, just being okay with the minimal, being happy with the minimal basic needs of life. And that is the major realization perhaps which has come in, and maybe that is the contemplation which you are doing both over here with these two cards, is contemplating as to what to do, how it can be put towards the benefit of somebody or to the society. And that is what you are discussing here, or people are advising you, or they are looking up to you also and advising you also as to what can be done about this wealth or all these resources over here, because definitely it's somebody who is in a position of helping others. So this person is definitely very, very resourceful. And what I feel here is coming from all the kings and the emperors to the page of pentacles, that you are definitely beginning a new life, keeping with yourself just what you need, leaving it's not that you're leaving behind that affluence, but what I feel is that major part is going perhaps in the help of others, and you just feel that that whatever minimum you need you should keep to yourself, and the rest should be um, for the help of others, sort of. So there is definitely some new beginning which is coming up in your life, Capricorns. I don't know, I think this reading will resonate with very few. It's coming off as a very specific sort of a reading, but I have to say what the cards are saying. But basically it is definitely balancing the karmic accounts in some way, the major realizations coming, and after a lot of contemplation. And with the strength card over here, obviously it requires a lot of strength, a hell lot of a strength to take such a major decision and a major turn. It's a major turn of life basically, with the word endings and beginnings, requiring a lot of strength, moving ahead with the just what is necessary. You are not leaving anything behind. I don't think that you're leaving. You are there and you are helping others, sort of charity in a great way. Number 20 may be of some significance for you. Review and contemplation. You have accomplished a great deal in your life, and you have much to be proud of. Now it's the time to decide what next. As you contemplate the past and the present, you will get clear on your divine purpose of life. What did I say? Don't be distracted by conventional thinking. Be the real you. That is what this is, the realization which has come to you as to, okay, you have achieved a great deal, and there is some sort of that thing which is coming in. No, okay, that's what is coming in. Okay, that okay, what is the point in having so much of health? And that is what you realize, and that is what you change your direction towards helping others. And this is something very unconventional. This is a decision which is unconventional. Okay, no, not everybody will be doing it. So this is something. And be the real you. If it is this what you really want, if it really gives you happiness, do that. And that's what you are doing. Number 33 or number 6 may be of some significance. We appreciate this moment. Every situation is an opportunity to grow and find love. So whatever this situation is, if you are stuck up in this decision as to do it or not do it, you have to appreciate, or whatever the lessons life has taught you that you are making these decisions, you should obviously realize that whatever the situation was, it has definitely helped you to evolve and perhaps make the greatest decision of your life. Okay, so every opportunity is an opportunity to grow. Just learn the lessons and appreciate whatever the moment is, because every moment in your life is giving you some sort of a lesson and an opportunity to grow. So Capricorns, I hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.